really about, just being able to practice at your own pace all the time. So this one, guys, remember the scissors like that, and that one, like, and then scissoring uh, consecutively, if possible, like, really, like, totally in one count, in one straight 50 to 60 times. So if this will help, could be a hack, guys. If you are doing such repetition, my I change my mindset in think when I do a certain exhibition that is kind of challenging. For me, this is challenging. I try to count on the I try to appreciate the things that I already have done, like literally in life, like literally, like I have 50 reps or 60 reps of this one. I did 10. That's good. So while I was doing that, that's what I'm thinking.